Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add debit card or credit card to your Apple ID. If you're using any iPhone or any iPad and you want to add credit card or your debit card, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your settings app. Very first, you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection, or you have to also make sure that your VPN is not connected. So go for general here, go for VPN device management and disconnect your VPN if you're connected. So go back from here and select language and region, and here you have to try to select your own region in which you are living. Then go back and here go to software update. Just try to make a software update. If you find any pending software update here, just try to update your software. After updating software, simply go back again and go to date and time settings and enable this toggle to set your date and time automatically. So very first you have to check all of these settings to prevent any kind of issues. So once I have done, just tap on the app store to open your app store app, and here just tap on the your profile option in the bottom right or in the top right here, and then tap on your Apple ID. After that, you just have to try to verify yourself using your Face ID or Apple ID password. And once you have verified, you just have to tap on country or region, and here you have to select your own country or region in which you are living. So let's say, for example, I'm going to select this one here. Once you have selected, just tap on this continue option, and here just tap on agree in the top right. And here you just have to try to add your payment method. So here you might have Apple Pay option here, credit card or debit card, is PayPal account. So this comes then based on your location, and if you have to select any option from here, then you have to enter your account here. For example, if you have a selected credit card or your debit card, so you have to enter your number, your expiry date, and here you have to enter your CVV security code. Or you can also try to use this camera option to scan your credit card. Once you have added, just enter your billing address, your phone number, and then your name. And once you have done all of these, just tap on the done option in the top right, and your payment method will be added to your Apple ID. So in this way, you can easily add credit card or debit card or your payment method into your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.